Wagwan.
Wagwan massive. You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
You don't know, it's your boy Jessie.
And today we are going to be doing the Whisper Challenge.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For those of you who do not know, the Whisper Challenge is somebody's going to be wearing headphones and the other person's going to be talking to them. They have to guess, kind of make out what they're saying. So,
And the loser has to do something embarrassing in public, guys.
I hope she lose.
Me nah lose, I win, me I win.
It's going to be recorded, so you guys will see the fun. So, we'll see.
Alright, so I'm going to turn on the music. Yeah, have you something them already?
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors first? Or what?
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors first.
Okay.
We're going to be doing rock, paper, scissors for who goes first.
Okay. Alright,
Ready?
Sure.
Rock, paper, shoot.
Wait, rock, paper, scissors. Shoot.
Okay, alright, hold on. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
One. We're gonna let them see two other things.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Two.
So I gotta go first?
Yep,
Alright.
you first. So
So
I
I'm gonna turn
choose,
on
you
this.
listen to music, yeah?
Okay.
Alrighty. Alright. Let me know if you can't hear me. Can you hear me?
Spread your wings.
Alright, cool. Alright. So, first one's going to be a train is where the train stops.
Slow down.
I said it wrong anyway. A train station is where the train stops.
Where the shoes in?
A train station is where the train stops.
Is where the well stop?
Nope. One more try.
Alright.
Okay.
Slow down.
Alright. The
The
train
shrine
is where
is where
the train
the swine
stops.
stops. What you
That
say?
is- The train station is where the train stops.
What?
You said something about a swain. Oh, you know what that is?
Swine.
Is that a
Swine
Jamaican
is
term?
a pig.
Oh,
I thought that's what you said.
nope, not me.
Alright, we get that one there wrong. That odd. Come to understand one thing we have said.
Alright, which
That
side?
odd.
Which side is it going? Yes, that's-
Huh? No, the other way.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
That's right. Oh, it's loud.
Alright.
Really
So I'm
loud.
gonna find my one there.
Spread your wings.
Alright. So the first one is, guys, I thought I saw a putty tat.
I thought I saw a putty cat.
We can see if we can get it. Ready?
Let's go.
I thought I saw a putty tat.
I thought I saw a putty cat.
Oh, you get that?
I knew that one.
Not no fear.
What? It's super loud.
Sure. Oh, you make out that.
Easy. That was a good one though.
Mm.
All right, ready?
Put on this.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
Yeah, we have it. Blessing up for flow like a river.
Okay.
Blessing up for.
All right. Have no fear. Big Daddy is here.
Have no fear, Big Daddy is here.
All right, we 1-1. 1-1. Good.
What?
1-1. 1-1. Okay.
You funny.
All right. 1-1.
Some of us who have no fear, Big Daddy is here. Who comes up with stuff like that? That one y'all go bad people. The next one is the cow jumped over the moon and the dish ran away with the spoon. Nursery rhyme days.
All right,
Ready?
let's go.
The cow ran over. Hold on. The cow jumped over the moon and the dish ran away with the spoon.
The cow jumped over the moon, and what?
The dish ran away with the spoon.
Slow it down.
Why are you yelling? The dish ran away with the spoon.
I don't know what you just said.
One more time. One last time.
One more time. Okay. Start all the way over.
The cow
The
jumped
cow
over the
jumped
moon.
over the moon.
The dish ran away with the spoon.
And lick something. Yeah, that's a lot harder than it looks.
The last part was, and the dish ran away with the spoon.
Oh, yeah. Ain't no way. So what was still 1 and 1 though, right? Just 1 and 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you didn't get that
What
one
you
all the
got?
way.
Yeah, you got one. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. I got a good one for her. Oh, I can hear the music. Let me see.
Spread
All
your
right,
wings.
there you go. Alright. This one,
Nothing
she not gonna know
is
this one. This is too hard. I'm
impossible.
telling you. It's too hard for females. I know what I want to eat for dinner.
You crib me? You said I know what I want to eat for dinner. We are doing a video and that's all I can think about food.
Oh.
You got?
I didn't think he was gonna get that one out.
Why? Why would get that? You're too crazy, man.
Okay, that was good. That was
Love
good.
you love your belly too much.
It wasn't for me. It was, you know.
Whatever. Ready? The next one is, guys, I love Lucy Gold. I love.
What?
Wait. I love Lucy Gold.
I eat lots of sushi.
Wrong.
Okay, again.
I love Lucy Gold.
One more time. One last time.
All right. I love Lucy
you
Gold. You want to try again?
I love you.
Lucy Gold.
Boo. I love you, boo?
Wrong.
What you said?
Wrong.
What was it?
I love Lucy Gold. You were supposed to say I love pussy.
That's
Gold.
what I thought. That's what I thought. I was like, no, I'm not going to say that.
That's what I thought you was gonna say, but you didn't. Don't sound like your ears, mommy. Woo! If I laugh, I peep you up.
Alright, right? What? Okay. I'm Dirty Dan. No, I'm Dirty Dan.
Start over. You're going too fast.
SpongeBob.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm Dirty Dan. No, I'm Dirty Dan.
I know what I'm gonna eat.
I'm Dirty Dan. No, I'm Dirty Dan.
What? Yeah, hold on. One more time. You have to go say it.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Slow down.
Alright.
Ready?
I'm Dirty Dan. No, I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm a green booty.
Nope. Nope. One more try.
One more.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm your light.
No. I'm Dirty Dan.
I'm your guide.
Nope. That's it. Wrong.
What the heck was you
I
saying?
said, I'm Dirty Dan. No, I'm Dirty Dan. SpongeBob. You like that one?
Really?
Uh-huh. Really. I think some
But then
people
what with me that
some
year?
people gonna think that's funny. Whoever seen the episode, comment below.
What is? Come in and know what I just say.
I'm Dirty Dan.
I know what you're
No,
saying.
I'm Dirty Dan.
Hey, that one, yeah. Ready?
Let's go.
This one, guys. Zim Zimmer, who got the keys to my bimmer? Make we see if you can catch it. Ready?
Let's go.
Zim Zimmer, who got the keys to my bimmer?
Zim Zimmer, who got the keys to my bimmer?
Shababa. That's all I heard was Shababa. I mean, all I seen was Shababa.
Alright.
Okay.
Zim Zimmer, who
Da.
got the keys to my bimmer?
Hot pepper. Something about hot pepper. One more time. Come on.
One more time.
Come on. Come on.
Zim
Stop.
Zimmer,
Pop.
who got the keys to my
What's
bimmer?
pepper?
You serious?
This is hard.
Ah!
That's hard. What'd you say?
I said Zim Zimmer, who got the keys to my bimmer? Jessie, when you hear
That's
sauce
funny.
on pepper?
Bema look like pepper.
I don't know what that word, but alright, the best system.
Bema. Pepper. The same.
No, it's not the
See? It's
same.
the same.
That not even close.
Okay.
I true you eat too much pepper, make you think about pepper. Eh?
Alright. I think it's my last one. My last one.
And then I got one more.
Yep. Alright, you ready? She never goes back on her promise, so I promise
I promise
I will give Jessie
I will give Shitty
a massage
a massage
all night.
all night.
I promise I will give Jessie a massage all
I
night.
promise I will give Shitty a massage all night. Right?
Nope.
One more time. Hold on. Hold on.
That's messed up.
Alright.
Ready?
Ready.
I promise
I promise
I will give
I will give
Jessie
Jessie
a massage all
a
night.
massage all night.
Alright, good. Now you gotta take the headphones off, say it to the camera again.
I promise Jessie I will give him a massage tonight.
Cool.
Wait,
Never go back on the
I
promise.
thought you were saying shitty. I'm like, what? Well, I almost thought you said, Smitty. But I'm like, what? That don't even make no sense. Whatever. I don't know what I thought.
Alright.
I'm like, shitty? Who you calling shitty?
You still owe me that promise.
I don't owe you nothing. I was just repeating what you told me. to
Nope, you
say.
made a promise.
No, I did not. Alright. The last one is I'm a fat snitch. If he says it right, hopefully he'll say I'm a fat bee.
Alright,
Ready?
let's go.
I'm a fat snitch.
I like fried chicken. So what you just said? Do what it said again.
I'm
I'm
fat snitch.
Foot fetish? What? Come on, one more time. Come on, get it. Come on. I'm gonna get this one.
I'm
I
a fat. Snitch.
am. Is it I am or I'm?
I'm
I'm
a fat snitch. One more time.
Okay.
One more time, may I tell you. Last time. I'm a fat snitch.
I don't know what you're saying.
Try. You gotta try.
Okay, alright. Say it one more time.
Last time.
Alright.
I'm a
ham.
fat
Frank.
snitch.
Church.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Take off that. I say I'm a fat snitch. How you get church? No, son, it's really difficult, cause I be a foolish in chat. Be a foolish in my chat.
Okay.
That was the last one. That was yours also? The last one for you? Okay. That was really hard.
That was hard.
It's hard.
Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate all the new subscribers we got.
Yep.
Our goal was 120 by the end of the week.
And we got 130 guys. So thank you. We really
Already.
appreciate it.
And it's not even the end of the week yet. So
Right.
now, by next Sunday, not this upcoming Sunday, but the one after this Sunday, our goal is to have
150.
150.
Yep.
So help us get to 150 subscribers. If you like the video, you're new to it, subscribe